Oh, that's one of your flags.
Subterranean underground river. Yan. Pusok na tayo.
The flying on the front is not but it's only swallow bird.
This one, wow, this is so
Nauna
nice.
ko kay huli namin yung balon.
Kasama kami sa entourage.
If
Si
you
ate.
question something inside the cave, you can ask me, my name is Toto.
Kuya
His name is
Tutong.
Toteng.
Hi, Hannah. Hello.
Your name is Teng.
Yun yung cellphone nyo.
Shorter is T. Mr. T.
Yan.
Wow, we open the lights now.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a girl.
On your right.
Come on. Come on.
Ako na
Okay.
light. Pwede ba? Kapo.
Can she do the lights? Okay. Kuya Totong, speak louder
Yes.
so that we can hear you.
Focus the light for your picture.
Sa loob na tayo.
Pag sa inyo naka-picture, sa inyo naka-focus ang light.
For please.
Discovered of the cave, American landlord sister, Professor, University of Michigan, 1887. 8.2 kilometers beyond the water, enclosed for a dry up to 21 kilometers. The travel now 1.5 kilometers, 45 minutes round trip. For not flat tire.
No flat tire
For a
here.
flat tire is 2 hours.
Ang dilim.
We will push if there's flat tire.
Oh, there's traffic na.
There's two-way traffic.
Small crocodile.
Where?
Where?
No more crocodile.
Shark,
Ito.
only shark.
What's this?
What's that?
Joke lang.
This sound of body.
What?
Tata, ay tatay.
Look the back, maybe the boatman is falling down.
Yan. Hi. Bye. Mga kalahi ni Uncle mo. Dilim. Super.
This is nice. Kuya Totong, tell us where we can focus and we can take the light or the pictures, ha?
Yes. Up little bit, ma'am. Up the light. Yeah, not past the light. That one, up little bit. Up little, yeah, we have a mini bus.
The back
Wow.
of what?
The name of a insect bus. Saving insect, kaya kanya
Dito, Daddy.
Pero yung malaki, hindi na yan bus, ma'am.
Batman na.
Batman.
Bato.
Bato. When do they bid Sally Bat?
Saving the bus because the last night from karaoke.
They had the karaoke tour.
We have an overhaul.
Wow.